Hello, what is up guys? My name is Eric and welcome to a real quick Excel tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fill in all highlighted cells with the same value within Excel. For the purpose of today's tutorial, I'm gonna want to fill everything in the F column with the same value. To do that, I've highlighted everything in the F column by just clicking on F column. And to fill every cell that I've highlighted here now with the same value, for which I'm gonna be using 1, all you have to do is, once you've highlighted the cells you wish to fill, press the value or type in the value you want to fill the cells with. So for me, it's number 1. Then, without pressing anything else on your keyboard, press Ctrl and Enter, and it will automatically fill everything you've highlighted with that value. Another way to do this, if you don't want to fill an entire column like I did here, and you only wish to fill selected cells, there's a couple of ways to highlight the cells you wish to fill in. So let's say you want to do a box. You can just press the left mouse button once and then hold it down and highlight the area you wish to fill in, and then do the same thing. Type in the value and then Control Enter. Or if you want to select specific cells, you can select the cell and then hold down Control as you select different cells. Type in the value and then Control Enter. And that fills the highlighted cells with the value. And that's it for today's tutorial. Hopefully it was helpful for you. If it was, please click the like button down below as it helps me out a lot. If you have any questions or suggestions for the future videos, then leave those in the comment section down below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.